さ、odito. Hug that outer ankle in. In more. So there's no weight on the inside. Ah, so the inside of your leg can lift. And tuck this under you. That's it. Now, take the block, and again, begin to twist. Very good. And put your thumb right there. Okay, so what I want to see is that your whole waistline here does parivrta, separates, and this leg doesn't at all move down towards the ground. It keeps lifting up to the ceiling. And then he does a very nice job at getting his whole upper back to move into the front of the body. That's it. Now take your arms straight up. Good. Reach with your finger, your left hand. And look straight forward like that. And now I want more space between your shoulder blades. More space between the shoulder blades. So that you're elongating the arms. Apart, 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 apart. Back leg straight. Very good. And release. Very nice. Downward facing dog. So that the back ribs come into the body and you open across it. And you use the contact of the leg and the body to open across your chest. Okay?